Oh my god, YouTube. It's 11:30 in the morning and I just woke up because I just had the time to sleep in, which is really cool. So we're starting our day a little late, but it's gonna be fun. I feel right, I'm gonna take on the world. I got some pages there. I'm singing oh. So there's not much going on today, obviously. You know, like, I made my bed. That's a start. It is currently, I don't have a watch time, and
It's 2:44.
we're gonna, what time is it?
It's 2:44.
It's 2:44. I've been informed that. So I thought, like, since I have nothing to do, I'm gonna try and be a beauty guru. Guys, it's an outfit of the day.
It's an oud.
Oud. Yeah, so I got this from a thrift shop and I don't know where. Well, it's a Buffalo Exchange. That's all I know. Don't ask me more. And then I have shorts on. Ooh, scandalous. And they're from Target. And my makeup is from everywhere.
The whole thing goes in there. That'll only last, well, maybe the rest of the day. But you'll have a thing.
Doesn't it? Why is it all weird? Dang it. There we go. What is this one? We're going to the fish fry, which means I'm not gonna eat. They're waiting for the check. Don't take your eyes off the prize.
Dad, keep your eyes on the prize.
So, we're in a town called
Elkland, Pennsylvania.
Elkland, Pennsylvania. Look. I don't know why I wanted to point at that, but we're gonna do that. Just had ice cream. How was your ice cream?
My ice cream was delicious.
Yeah? I had pie.
Apple pie.
Yeah, my apple pie was delicious as well. But yeah. Dark alleyway. So
8 miles.
I'm a mess today.
8 miles.
It's tomorrow, but I forgot to end the vlog. So remember to subscribe, comment, and like. If you don't like the video, still give it a thumbs up because thumbs up are helpful.